So the first thing to do is go to the Sell on Etsy app, and then you click where it says Active Listings, and then you click the plus icon in the top right hand corner, and then you go through a series of questions just about the product. And this just refines exactly what it is you're trying to sell. So my item is a felted, it's felted hearts. So then you need to add the photos. And then you can position them. The first photo will be the one that people will see when they click on your product. So then you just go through adding the title. And for the title, it's always best to write lots of different things because it increases the chance of someone finding your items. So for the hearts, I'll put felted hearts, then romantic gifts, heart, and I'll put those kind of things. And then this just increases the chance of my item being displayed when someone is looking for a product on Etsy. And then you just write a description about your product. And normally, the more you write about the product, the better, really. So I normally just put the measurements, the colours, and I'll give a suggestion of what the product, what the product can be used for. So, for instance, it can be given as a gift for someone, or it can be used as a photo prop. So now you just create the delivery profile. And I have different ones already created. So I want to send this second class as a small parcel, so I'll go down to the section that I've created for that already. The first time you do this, you will have to set it up though. And then you will just say whether you want to manually renew it or automatically it will renew. And this is because if it doesn't sell within a certain number of months, then Etsy will automatically renew the listing for you, or you have to manually put it back on again. So now in the tags section, you need to think of things that people might type in if they want a certain product that you're selling. So because I'm trying to sell these hearts, I think people might search for home decor, they might look for photo props and things like that. So I think you get to put 15 different tags in. And now you add the materials used. You can also put what sort of product it is as well. So I will put felted heart and photo prop in this section as well, because it just increases the chance of your item being seen when people are looking for products on Etsy. So now you go on to attributes, and you can put things in like the colour of the product, where the product should be mounted, so I'm going to put tabletop. Things like what room would it go in, and all that stuff, and that will help people find your items as well. So you can go through and put the different specifics in. And then after that, because I've got different colour hearts, I'm going to put that there's different colour hearts and that there's one quantity of each colour. So I've just added all 4 of the different colours, and the price is the same for each colour, so I don't need to turn that on. And then after this, you can link the photos to the different colours as well if you want to. So, but now I'm doing quantity of each one. So now I can link the photos, so it gives you this option, and then you click the colour, and then it comes up with the photo, and then you can link pink to the pink heart photo. So now I just do the price. So I'm going to do £3 for the hearts. And then you can save it and then list it. And then when you list it, it does charge you some money, which then goes on to your Etsy bill at the end. So now, if I refresh it, you can see there's my new listing there in my shop. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was clear, and if you want any more videos like this, please leave your feedback and comments below.